U-350 is an insult to the black person. Asikaze thina siqala lokhu kubona nge-ANC iphoqa abantu ukuthi vote ngoba ngikunikeza umsebenzi. Comrades, don't be naive, comrades. Asingakhohlwa ukuthi sihambele wamathuna. U-350 is an insult to the black person. Lento ilento ekuthiwa ukhandwa i-welfare state. Bawasha imali ze-COVID lezi abayintshontsha bangakha nesisodwa isibhedlela. Abasebenzi baka-health tana kukhulunywa nge-national health insurance ayikho namhlanje comrades asiyiboni. Why singayiboni i-national health insurance? Ingoba ama-capitalist akhona kule government, they are owning private hospital. Uyasho ku-Karl Marx uyibeka kalula comrades uthi the interest of the working class is different from the interest of the capitalist. Amaseyithanda ayishintshe athi the interest of the proletariat is different from the interest of the bourgeoisie. Sengiyibedile ke comrade, close quote from Karl Marx. Ukuthi interest yomsebenzi ayifani inhlobo ne-interest yohlohla ezabo ama-capitalist and the imperialist, which is the highest order of capitalism. Comrades, siye lapha senza i-program Comrade Province lapha efletini leli ekwafakwa khona abantu bakithi laba abadilikelwa from different townships. Bafakwa lapha e-Astra kwakhishwa abantwana besikole kwafakwa abantu. Mabefakwa abantu sithi siyabavakashela lapha 2 weeks ago bayasatshiswa ke manje kuthiwa kuneyinkinga sekuthiwa bayaphoqwa manje ukuthi ngoba babonana befaka izikipa. Izimo ke siphila ngaphansi kwazo, which is a reverse apartheid. This Ramaphosa's government has reversed the democratic gains 400 steps back. I don't know whether mhlambe ama-analysis amangitshela into wrong noma mina nengenza ama-analysis ngedwa ukuthi konke is being reversed. Let me make just one example, comrade, before I call the province. Niyalwazi uphenyane? Abanye abalwazi, that's why bethula, because they don't know. Uphenyane lwalukhona before 1994. Kusho ukuthi sekuzofika utwayike njengoba sekubuya uphenyane. Zonke lezi zifo lezi ekwafike kushipha ibhano isemakhaya mawubuka phezulu usekunohlwayi. uRamaphosa wayela eThekwini, if your memory serves you well, wayela washipha uphenyane, washiya nophenyane la. Ilento ekuthiwa upink eyes kulabo abangazi. Uphenyane wafika amabhano yayispread lento during the apartheid era. That's why I'm saying most of the things has been reversed. Iyafana nale ayibize nge-state of disaster. Ushintsha isingisi, it used to be a state of emergency. Uma sese-revolta ngaphakathi kwe-country bese amabhunu avale i-country ayibize nge-state of emergency leyo nto. Nakho sihubhe ngamasosha ukuthi awasishaye sibe silambile. Bashawa abafethu ushawe lutho ulambile uyaphuma uyothenga kuthiwa uyaphi. Senziwe ilima sanikwa ama-permit. Black on black violence used to happen during the apartheid time. Le ekuthiwa amaphoyisa manje abasebenzi mangabe bethi bafuna imfuno zabo bese kuthiwa umetro, the very same workers, these metropolis are unionized. Instead ukuthi babe semgaqweni nabo baphusha struggle somsebenzi. Ibona during the strike sala eThekwini ade sikhona recently ekade begadile la beshaya abafethu. That is black on black violence. Uqhatha umuntu omnyama nomuntu omnyama and worker on worker violence that was well orchestrated by this nonsensical and draconian government of the ANC. Basithombisa udoti, ngijomba umdoti la ngemsebenzini, ngijomba udoti ngibuye. Ingane zethu ayinawo asinayo amandla okuthenga ama-PlayStations. Kodwa ezethu ingane idlala nezinye. Umuntu omnyama lo ikhatsha umuntu omnyama zidlala nezinye. Izingane ziyadlala idlala ngodoti. Udoti ke kade sihamba kuona asikhohliwe futhi ukuthi sihambele wamathuna. Ayimpelwa abantu kanti amathuna. Comrades, don't be naive, comrades. Asingakhohlwa ukuthi sihambele wamathuna. Asingakhohlwa ukuthi sihambele wamathuna. Mayagqitshwa la mathuna agqitshwa ngani agqitshwa ubani likabani lelathende lalimba laphinde laqeba. Uthiwa abantu bethu sibanjwa besingababoni singabambuli nokubambula. Asikaze siyibone le yanto ye-COVID. I told other comrades ukuthi it was nothing but the so-called chemical and biological warfare. It used to happen in umholo province mhlawumbe uzothi touch base kuyona chemical and biological warfare la sasithunyelelwa khona amabhomu uluvule bese liyaqhuma eposini njengotwayi lo lade ngikhuluma ngalo lalifakiwe same thing nanophenyane and the other diseases lezi sesizibona ngathi ziya emerge futhi seziyabuya asibhekeni lento ngoba sekuzolandela utwayi kuphinde kulandele esinye phinde kubuye yona iCovid. Comrades ngiyacela comrade province silithula kunina nikhona lolu daba ukuthi kule ward njengoba ade nibona ikhansela la khona litrend they'll trend for his own stupidity net dictatorship esibonayo ukuphoqa abantu ukuthi ngoba banikezwe umsebenzana ozophela emva kwakhetho bese kuthiwa beze ukuhlukumezeka komuntu omnyama ehlukunyezwayo omunye same thing lento eyenzeka lapha eAstra ngicela ukuthi niyazi ukuthi ikhona iyenzeka sinabo abafowethu abahlala lapha kulela flat abafakwa ngoba kuthiwa bayasizwa kanti sekufanele babe captured ba-capture ukuthi automatically sekufanele babe ama-members e-ANC beyokwenza u-door to door. Umsebenzi kahulumeni ngoba sonke we are taxpayers money siyakhokha njengoba sisebenza sikhokhela ukuthi omunye wethu mayixakekile kufakeke isandla but uhulumeni angenze ngathi ukuthi i-ANC yona ebafake lapha. It's government that is paying for these people for us ukuthi sihlale abantu bathole izindlu ezidecent kodwa imali zethu lezi ezikhokhwayo ibhlungu ke lento comrade kufanele niyazi ukuthi ukungcola okukhona mhlambe i-ANC i-stress enasi sisithululela kubantu because wonke labantu be-ANC sebe-stressed ngale nto mhlambe there is something wrong in their mind khona iculela lithi psychological uyagula kancane sebegula ngempela kabasaguli nakancane comrades. Asikaze thina siqala lokhu kubona nge-ANC iphoqa abantu ukuthi vote ngoba ngikunikeza umsebenzi hamba uyokwenza u-door to door mangikhathele ngenze njani sozophinde ngibuye ngemsebenzini mase kufanele ngiholwe ngijahwa ngometro. What is that? Inkinga esinazo esiyibonayo lezi. Even trade unions are flat. There is no more COSATU, there is no more SACP, there is no vanguard of the working class because they are vanguarding inside parliament. Angithe parliament ethiwa kunebar ilaba huqa khona utshwala baze balale ngoba bonke bathola belele oziswe ikulu.